Hello YouTube! Today I got the brand new M5 MacBook Air. I'm super excited. I think this laptop came out like maybe 3 weeks ago as of filming this, and I'm very excited to be able to test this and be able to use this as my main editing rig. This is going to replace my gaming PC in terms of the business aspect, so like me editing photos, editing videos. I'm going to be doing it on this device now. You guys might notice a paper on here that's glued on, and that's because some of you guys like to mark devices as stolen, so that's why I'm blocking this. I don't really think it makes too much of a difference if you guys see it or not, but just to be safe, I'm putting it on there. So with that being said, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, I ordered this on Amazon for about $950. I'll pick that up. And it retails at $1,100, but Amazon had this sale for $150 off. Nice MacBook Air. Yeah, this is the base model MacBook Air. This isn't the one with upgrade RAM, upgrade storage, and Flipping this device over to the back, you can see I put another one of these papers to block you guys from seeing the serial number, just, as I explained earlier, just so you guys won't mark it as stolen. Anyways, let's stop rambling and let's unbox this beast of a computer.
Oh my god! Wow!
Got a little circle cut out on the box. Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot to mention, but this is the sky blue color. So, got the MacBook. I'll put this to the side for right now, and we'll take a look at the accessories. We got this book of papers. I don't think this has Apple stickers anymore, sadly. Yeah, this is like what is this? A starting guide. What else is in here? That's really it? Just the starting guide? Wow, I would really think that they would put like some other stuff. I thought legally they would have to do something, but I guess not. We got the power brick. Take out like this. Let me see, what's the wattage on here? So we got the 30 watt and 60 watt power brick. Yeah. Put that to the side. And then we got the color match sky blue power brick. I mean, sorry, not power brick, power cable. My excitement is getting the best of me here. This seems pretty long. Yeah. Nice. This is braided too, so that's nice too. Anyways, let's go back to the MacBook. The part that's most exciting. I'm actually going to put this box down so we can focus more on the laptop. Alright, this looks silver. Is this actually blue? I think it's blue. Yeah, unless Amazon gave me the wrong color, but yeah. Right now, in person, I don't know how it's picking up on camera, but in person, this feels like silver. It almost makes me wonder if Amazon gave me the wrong color. But anyways, please have some juice. Please have some juice. Nice. Gonna take off this, whatever this is. Yeah. So first thing I'm noticing is that the screen is a lot nicer compared to laptops I've used. I recently went to a concert and I was even surprised at how good the speakers sound. Okay, I guess I can't raise the brightness during this, so let's just go through this. English, United States, set up as a new laptop, and not now. Okay, continue without Wi-Fi. I need to connect to Wi-Fi really quick, and then I'll get back to you guys. It's low-key taking forever for it to connect to my Wi-Fi network. This is not good. Oh, okay, there we go, it went through. Data and privacy, go ahead, sell my data. Oh gosh. Gotta create a Mac account. Can I continue without creating a Mac account? You haven't provided all of the requested information. Okay, I guess I gotta fill this out really quick. Set up my Apple account later, skip. I'm actually just gonna set this up with just a Mac account, which does appear to be like a local account. Yes, I agree. Nah, I don't want location services. I value my privacy. Nope, I do not want to share Mac analytics with Apple. Set up later, skip. Turn off. I don't want Siri. I'll set up file vault later on. Yeah. Touch ID. This is gonna be nice. So right now it's asking me to set up Touch ID. My hands are a bit dusty, so I'm gonna do this later on when my hands are clean. So I'll just continue without setting up Touch ID. Ooh. Oh, dark. I misread that. Alright. It's gonna update to the new Mac OS, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna do this magic trick. And watch this, guys. When I clap my hands, it's just going to be complete. Watch this. And just like that, it's complete. That's some crazy magic abilities I have. I just want to get to the home screen. Welcome. This is pretty cool. Alright. Oh good, it didn't dox me. Thank goodness I didn't set up location earlier. Alright, nice. Let me check out the file system. I think this is... Oh, Finder is a file system? Guys, I'm very confused. This is my first time using Mac. Well, this is my first time owning a Mac OS device. So all of this is really new to me, and I'm hoping that with this machine, I can become fluid in Mac OS. And yeah, I'm pretty good at Windows already. I want to learn Linux, and yeah, I want to try to get fluid in all three of those operating systems. I suspect probably within the next couple of days I'll become pretty fluent in macOS. I do use a Google Pixel as my main phone, so I'm not gonna get the same benefits as someone that daily drives an iPhone. But I still like this computer for what it is. I'm excited to test the battery life on here. It's at 45% right now. Yeah. This video is probably being edited on this computer, so yeah. In the future, when I do a review on this laptop, you guys will see how the video editing performance is. I know a lot of creators use MacBooks for their editing, and I'm happy to be one of them. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Do you guys think I made the right choice? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like on this video and hit the subscribe button. I'm pretty close to hitting 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and yeah, I'm getting pretty excited for that as well. See you guys in my next video. Peace. Okay, the camera isn't picking it up, but in person, this is definitely blue.